Hi, I'm Pete Richards. This is my wife, Tina Richards. We're the proud owners of Peace Paint and Restoration. We've been established now for the last 3 years. We've excited in this area because of the military background in this area, and we do offer a 5% discount on all military repairs, whether it be paint jobs, spot work, or restoration projects. We also do collision repairs. So we welcome all the military to come out and see us and visit us, and we hope to see you soon.
And please be sure to check out all our social media sites and our contact information below.